Transversal and classification of angles formed by a transversal.
Children, have you ever heard the word transversal?
A straight line which intersects two or more given lines at different points is called transversal.
For example, if we take two lines M and N on a plane, mark a point P on the line M and point Q on line N. Now if we draw a line joining P and Q, then it is stated as the transversal for line M and N. Now in the figure you can see that some pair of angles have been formed. Angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angles. Angle 4 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Angle 1 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles. Angle 4 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 6 are interior angles on the same side of the transversal.
Angle between parallel lines. For any two lines having a common point, we can find the angle between them, but parallel lines never intersect. So, we can consider the angle between them as 0 degrees. Distance between parallel lines. Any two parallel lines never intersect and the distance between them is same at anywhere. Therefore, the distance between the parallel lines is a constant. Example is shown below. Here A is the distance between parallel lines L and M. Transversal. A straight line which intersects two or more given lines at different points is called a transversal. Intercept. Consider any two lines L and M. A transversal N intersects L and M at A and B respectively. Then the distance from A to B is called intercept.